Assalamu alaikum students. I wish you are spending a wonderful time at your home and enjoying your good health. Students, today we are going to read New Oxford Modern English, Book 1, Unit number 7, Part 1, Unit name Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. Dear students, today we will do page number 63. Act C, Learning about Language. Statement asking questions. Change the following into questions. Here we have an example. The wolf ate the cakes. Now we will change it in question form. Did the wolf eat the cakes? It's question. Now students, here we have these sentences. We have to change them into question form. We have to change these sentences into interrogative form. So let's start. First we have the wolf jumped through the door. Now students, we will make our sketch ready over here on the book. Draw a line with the scale. The lines should be very neat and then write in a very neat writing. Here, first sentence, did the wolf jump through the door? Now, move to the next sentence. The woman made some cake. Now, students, here we will write in the question form. Did the woman make some cakes? Let's move to the next sentence. The boy wrote a letter. Now we will write it in the question form. Did the boy write a letter? Move to the last sentence. The girl read a book. Make it question. Did the girl read a book? Now student, in the same way, read the next statement. Make questions out of these sentences. Here we have an example. Mr. Salman works in a bank. Now we will change it. Does Mr. Salman work in a bank? Question. Now students, we have one more example. Babar drives a bus. Does Babar drive a bus? Question. Now students, there is a one main difference between the both questions. Here we have changed these all sentences into past, but here we will change it into present, means now sentences. Let's start first. Mr. Salman collects money. We will change it in the question form. Does Mr. Salman collect money? Now students, move to the next sentence. Mr. Chips goes to his workshop. Now we will change it into question form. Does Mr. Chips go to his workshop? Move to the next. Mrs. Smith lives near the bank. We will change it into question form. Does Mrs. Smith live near the bank? Next sentence. Mr. Rehan makes tables. Does Mr. Rehan makes tables? Now students, here in the next statement we will talk about the pronouns. Use he, she, it or they in these sentences. Here we have first sentence. Does Ali like school? It's a question. Now we will answer it in the pronouns like yes, he does. Next question. Do the children like ice cream? We will write it yes, they do. Next question. Did the girl write a letter? No, she did not. Now students, we have given all the answer in the pronouns like he, they, she. Now students, you have to prepare these 3 questions, first, second and third. First you have to change the sentences into question form, but these all questions should be in past. In the next you have to change all these sentences into question form, but these sentences are in present, mean now. So you have to write over here does with do and the same thing. Here we have use pronouns. So you have to prepare all these lessons very carefully and consciously. Write it in a very neat and clean writing. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.